Hi, welcome to Vacuums R Us. Today I'm just gonna be showing you how to replace the battery on the Bissell Smart Clean robot. It's as simple as just pressing down, pulling back.
Hold on, this is gonna be a really short video, so we have time to introduce Luna. She's our latest technician. Okay.
Then the battery just slides out. Grab the new one, click in, slides back in, flip over, that slides up, and
Probably the easiest repair video we've ever done. What are the symptoms when they have a bad battery?
not holding a charge, not taking in a charge. Battery life just dies way too quickly.
Usually, but they just don't run that long.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Exactly.
All right. Well, we will we'll link below where you can get these batteries, and we'll also put a link down there to the full schematic of these things so you can see all the available parts as well if you need any other parts.